Hey, Brian here, Temper Scalp Inc. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. Thanksgiving just wrapped up. We got Christmas coming up. I'll be in Vietnam for the end of December and January. So New Year's and Christmas, and then Chinese New Year, which is Tet in Vietnam, which is probably their biggest holiday. So excited for that. So let's talk about big classes. I just seen a video Instagram where they're having 30 people in one class in the biggest class ever supposedly, which is pretty impressive, to be honest with you, right? For the artists and for their company, because they're gonna make a crap load of money in a couple days. But let's talk about what the customer is getting. Just imagine you're in a big auditorium and you have someone teaching you down on the floor. Are you really going to get as much knowledge as if you were one-on-one with that teacher, and that teacher devoted the 100% of their time to you for all the days in the training? So that's what I do. I do the one-on-one training, at the most maybe 2 people in my class at all. So I do small classes and more intimate. You get all my attention for the days that we're training, and then you get the follow-up mentor. You can call me, you can text me. We're friends. You're not just another number in a big class like these other guys, which is cool. If you're into that, go for it. And do I think you'll get bad training? No. Will you get as detailed as hands-on one-on-one training? Definitely not. But will you get bad training? I don't think so. I just don't think you'll get as much as a hands-on one-on-one mentorship training. That's the way I learn. I don't learn in a big class and just hearing someone talking about it. I learn by actually doing it, so that's the way I teach it, is by actually doing it in one-on-one. And then the follow-up of being there for you when you need me. Call me, text me. So like I said, one-on-one mentorship training, you can come see me. I'm in right outside of Tampa, Florida. Or if I'm in Vietnam, you can come see me in Vietnam. Or if you're in Asia, anywhere, an hour or flight away from Asia, I can come see you if you have at least probably 2 people to train, because flight and hotel is going to cost some money for me. So if you're interested, hit me up. Besides that, I hope everyone has a great holiday. And any questions, feel free to hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, Tampa Scalp Inc. And the Inc is INK. And then, you can always find my number on there and give me a call, 813-625-6062. And I'll actually answer the phone where, a lot of these other guys won't answer the phone. We work weekends and we work, afternoons too. We don't work 9 to 5 and take the weekends off. We're always working. We're always here for you. So hit me up. Hope everyone has a great day. See ya.